Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're going to take a look here at the all-new 2025 Catalina 134 BHX travel trailer. This thing comes in under 2,800 pounds dry, and it's right at about 16 feet long. Coming in a little under $12,700 range. Talk with the folks at Couches RV Nation about this RV. They'll be glad to kind of go over the details on everything, pricing wise and stuff. But we're going to check this thing out here real quick. So stepping up into your new 134 BHX. If you're looking for a small trailer that has some basic amenities to get you off the ground and at the same time keep you cool or warm depending on the season, this might be the one for you. This thing has some storage underneath the bunk area there. You're going to have two bunks here for the kids or shorter adults. Nice large window up there. There is USB charger ports over here. You have a JBL stereo over there. JBL speaker inside and outside. You've got a 12-volt mini fridge. Propane leak detector. Electric box down there. You got some controls here for some lights, the water heater on gas electric buttons, monitor panels, and your power awning in and out button. Back here is going to be a bathroom area here. It's got a little mirror up there, electric outlet in here, some little coat hook holder things, foot flush toilet, and you have a step-in shower over here as well. Little vent fan up top. Now up above my head here, kind of roaring away a little bit, we have a GE air conditioner. Works off of this digital thermostat right down here. Now this air conditioner also has an electric heat pump in it, so you can use it to heat or cool either one. Right here, you're going to have a 2-burner gas stovetop. There's also a 20,000 BTU propane furnace down here as well. Got a little sink area, microwave, hood range light and fan. See what we got. Storage. There's a little bit of storage space up here. Down below, let's see what we got. So a pretty decent amount of storage under there. And then over here, we got a little bit of storage over there as well. Now over here, you're going to have your camper queen bed. It's basically got some shelf space up top there. Window over there does open. TV hookups over here. Electric outlet, USB charger ports. There is a little bit of storage space under here as well. But again, if you're looking for something that's affordable, lightweight, gets you off the ground, and out camping where you can actually maybe sleep comfortably, this thing might be an affordable option for you. It has aluminum sided wood stud construction. You have some Westlake kind of off-road tires on there, the heavy duty Moore ride step. You got a power awning with a manual override in it, adjustable arms for tilting, a multi-color changing LED light strip on it as well. There is storage under here. It has pre-prepping for solar on it as well, if you wanted to add solar to it. It's got two heavy-duty scissor jacks on the back. It has the little pet-friendly leash latch holder back there. It's prepped for a rear backup camera. It's got a black tank flush to clean out the toilet system, city water inlet. It's also prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. You even have the nicer detachable power cord right here. You got your cable and satellite inlets right there. You're going to have dump area right there for your gray and black. There's some hot and cold low point water drains just in front of the tire, and then the fresh water tank drain back there as well. Again, coming in at about 16 feet and under 2,800 pounds. You got a freshwater tank fill up here, furnace exhaust out here, water heater right there, and you have that stove exhaust up there. So right here's the important informational sticker stuff. So this thing rolled off the assembly line with a dry weight of 12,735 pounds. Exterior length, 16 feet. Model number again, 134BHX. Production date on this one was 7/10 of 24. Has a gross weight of 4,344 pounds. Do not exceed that. That's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. You're not allowed to exceed that. You have a tire size of ST235/75 R15 D-range tires with a 65 PSI cold. Now you have a pretty rounded front end there, so it does kind of give it maybe a little better aerodynamics than the old flat front stuff. You're going to have manual tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety change, breakaway cable, 20-pound propane tank, room for 1 or 2 batteries there. You could upgrade aftermarket to a power tongue jack if you like, but this thing is pretty easy to crank being such a lightweight unit. There's also a battery disconnect down there, lower diamond plate metal as well. But overall, this thing is a pretty cool, lightweight, small camper that you might be able to stash behind the house or something if you live in the suburbs or whatever. You know, just something to consider, get you off the ground. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour of the new 2025 Catalina 134BHX. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. And if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button, help out my channel, and as always, thanks a lot.